If you own an F30 and your gear knob looks like it survived a war, this tiny upgrade promises to completely revitalize your interior. This isn't just about looks. The gear knob is arguably the most tactile part of the manual driving experience. The TNGFEIYKYI gear shift knob, specifically designed for the BMW F Series, aims to bring back that factory fresh feel, and it includes the Gator boot cover for a complete refresh. What immediately stands out is the focus on ergonomics. The design claims to offer a comfortable grip that fits the palm well, essential for smooth, precise 6-speed shifting. Nobody wants a clunky, awkward knob when rowing through gears, and initial impressions suggest this design delivers on that promise, feeling substantial and well-weighted. It truly makes the action of shifting feel more deliberate and satisfying. Now let's talk materials. The description promises premium options: ABS, aluminum, or leather, all resistant to wear, scratches, and fading. For an aftermarket part, durability is the big question. While the aesthetic upgrade is immediate, the long-term performance against daily abuse will define its true value. The sleek, modern look certainly enhances the cabin, giving that sportier, refined style that owners crave, instantly making the interior feel newer than it is. Perhaps the biggest win here is the installation process. It's advertised as a direct replacement, meaning no special tools are required. For anyone looking for a quick DIY project, being able to simply remove the old, tired knob and snap this new one in place is incredibly appealing. It's a high-impact modification with minimal effort. While the compatibility is broad, targeting the F30 generation specifically, it's always wise to heed the manufacturer's warning to confirm the size and thread before purchase. But for those specific BMW owners looking for a cost-effective way to refresh their interior, this TNGFEIYKYI knob offers a compelling package. It's a small change that makes a massive difference every time you drive. Verdict: if your current knob is sticky, scratched, or just plain ugly, this replacement is a fantastic, easy upgrade that genuinely improves the driving feel and aesthetic appeal of your vehicle.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.